Trend are here selling all their gear, or a lot of their gear. Obviously the router tables, router bits, air shields. So let's get in and see the Air Shield Pro. There's the half mask. Was it last year you released the half mask?
It would have been...
Because obviously I remember you demoing it at last year's show.
We were last year's show.
Yeah.
It was just it was earlier in the year, but around that. We've been out for about 18 months, 20 months or so.
How are sales going on it? Is it all...
really good.
I know a couple of people who've got them and rave about them.
Yeah, I think it now equates to 15% of our business.
15?
15, yeah.
Wow, that's in 18 months?
Yeah.
Wow, that's...
Now it's a case of just increasing public awareness in knowledge, because there's still a large degree of the market who don't fully understand the uses.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay, well I've got the JSP, because I find I get a reasonable seal having a beard.
Yeah.
How does yours compare with, alongside something like that? Well, you've got some facial hair. What do you think of the seal you get?
Well, for me, is it 5 or 10 millimetres?
5 mil.
5 mil. For me, it makes absolutely no difference at all.
Yeah.
This thing, nothing.
Right, and if you have proper beard, would you still? Well, obviously, you'd still recommend using something's better than nothing.
Something's better than nothing.
You're never going to get a drop a 100% seal with facial hair, but
it's a difficult one. Up until a certain end,
we're all woodworkers. Come on, wood wizards have beard. That's the it's
that's the thing. I mean,
your skill level is based on the length of your beard. I mean, that's
Yeah, you got that moustache on camera as well?
It's been on camera. I think the board have seen me on camera, to be fair.
I appreciate the craftsmanship.
Thank you very much. How much are they retailing for? Can I ask? Are you doing a show deal, or you just
show deal for the last 2 days at Maker Central is £19.
Okay, what do they normally retail at? It's about 24, isn't it?
22 plus.
Right, yeah.
So it's a bit of a give back.
Are you letting people try them on, or just to have a little kind of?
The reason for that is there's 2 different sizes.
Right, okay.
And the way the characteristics of a person's face is very different from individuals. So we have a medium large, which is this side, and a small medium here.
Yeah.
It's the bridge of your nose to the base of your chin.
Okay.
And when your eye sockets out,
so it's better to come to it before buying it, rather than buying off the shelf. It's better to come and get fitted for one, or do you need to measure? Or say I wanted to walk into Screwfix or wherever and buy one off the shelf. What do I need to do before I choose?
Okay.
Because I don't want to buy the wrong one.
Screwfix has one size. They've gone for the medium large.
Okay.
That's because historically we sell the ratio of about 10 to 1.
Yep.
But also everyone is different, so the youth coming through, obviously, faces like the structure hasn't yet fully formed. In some way, the fairer sex might suit better on a small to medium large. Right. Everyone's individual.
So is the actual measurements I can take so I know roughly which one I'm going to go for? Because to be honest, not many people are going to be able to come to a show and demo and try one on and see if that's a comfortable fit.
I get that. If you hold the 2 side by side, you can see the actual difference from top to bottom, left to right. It's 3 mil.
Okay, so
medium
not
not much at all. But you'll see that when it's tightened, maybe you can actually just see perspective, it's slightly wider.
Yeah.
So for me as a person with a fuller face, the medium large is definitely.
Okay, what would you recommend for myself?
I would say, well, the ratio tends to be 10 to 1, so I would always recommend medium large right first.
Okay.
And if you do think that it doesn't sit, then small medium is.
I'll tell you what, my friend, can I ask you to point that? I'm gonna try one on. I've never tried one of these. I've got the JSP, so I'm gonna have a quick and actually see what the seal is like with the beard, because that's, for me, the better the seal, the better the mask.
Absolutely.
So live, this could go horribly wrong for you guys. or very right.
This is bent by the time I take this off. I will not be buying one, I'll tell you that now. Yeah, it's going to get ruined, isn't it?
So the main thing is crowning your head to the top strap.
Okay. So am I just all in straight over?
Absolutely. So that's the top of your head, perfect there. A little bit high maybe. And then if you pull through that should be at the rear of the neck. Just have to it's a little bit of practice, but after a couple of times. It's pulled to the side tab tighter. And that then forms the pivot. So when it tightens, it basically pulls in and out.
I've got no.
Probably can't hear you on that.
Okay.
I had no air escape ingress around any of the seals. That's with, alright, I've trimmed my beard, to be fair, it's quite short, it's probably only about 3 mil, but that's amazing.
And with the manufacturer, it will stipulate. Don't get me wrong, if you're looking more site orientation with the trade format, you have to have it face fitted, and they might have it.
Well, I've been face fitted without beard. They won't do you face fit you with a beard.
So we will stipulate that it can be 5 mil, but then again, it's each personal individual face for testing.
I'm really impressed with that. I do get some of the JSP, I do get a little bit of ingress with air, even on the push to fit ones that I've got. With the beard, I'm leaning on the air, something's better than nothing, but actually, that was a proper seal.
Yeah, and I think just to give you a footnote, people wear glasses. You always try and tighten those people.
But this is a lot more compact than the big filters. Can you change the filters?
I can show you how.
Okay, let's go for it. Thank you, cameraman, if you can get in there and
enjoy it. You'll see.
Yep.
Like touching from underneath, they just pop out.
Yep.
Rather than having the seal, you just twist it. Just remove over time.
Yep.
On either side, put it back in. Seat's very nice. Not something that the base one is 6 months here. Colour. Slightly harder.
So it's literally just take the line, flap off, pop it out, pop a new one in. How long do you recommend filter changing? Weekend one, let's go for a hobbyist.
Okay, so it's a hobbyist.
Yep.
They're up to 720 hours.
720 hours. If you're a hobbyist, you're going to get it 4 years or so.
Oh, yeah. A little bit more.
If you're full time, every 3 months or so?
The other footnote is the reverse would be 5 years.
5 years as a max.
Fine. To give you an example, this price on those percent come in that's ready to go.
And what rate are they? M3? Sorry, P3.
They've got capture asbestos, smart eye that's all very minute.
Do you go down to spray paints on the size like that?
A little bit of contact there because of toxicity. What you're expecting. Water based? No problem.
So you can get, so you spray and you can wear one of these rather than one of them?
As long as it's water based. So all those together.
The fatty filters. Brilliant, superb.
And the only other footnote would be, we do a carbon layer filter. What that is, it neutralises odor. So you're working with some very strong words.
So you are actually spraying and doing paints and fumes and you can go for the carbon one.
It's touch and go.
But he's not recommending that, but it will work for that, but they're not going to put it on the tin. How's that? Thank you very much.